Whoa, groovy, baby. They brought back the V-Dub bus, man, and it's here at the 2023 New York International Auto Show. Who's got the LSD? Welcome back to Sparkplug TV. My name is Chris, and I do car reviews for literally everybody, not just car enthusiasts. Before I begin, please don't forget to like this video, comment something down below, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I drop a new video, which is, I don't know. If you're a car fanatic like I am, then you'll also want to be able to share your passion with other gearheads. That's why I'm proud to present today's sponsor, the Garage app. Now available on Google Play and Apple stores. You'll not only be able to showcase your own cars and motorcycles in your virtual garage, but you'll also be able to search up different makes and models and chat with the owners who own them, kind of creating your own car enthusiast community online and in person. Before you go to some event like Cars and Coffee, for example, you can also search up the guest list and see who's going to be there. Pretty neat if you ask me. Think of it like show and tell, but for adults. So, this is the 2025 Volkswagen ID Buzz, and I have read so many articles on it, I've seen so many videos, and now I'm standing next to it. There is a staunch difference between the European model and this model, and it is the wheelbase. So, the European market is going to get the smaller, shorter wheelbase, and we're getting, because we're Americans, we want the longer, bigger truck, and we're getting the longer wheelbase. And we are also getting the 77 kilowatt hour battery pack, and it will either come in a rear-wheel drive or an all-wheel drive drivetrain. Look at how giant this back end is. This is massive, and it looks even bigger once you actually open the lift gate. Look how big this thing is. This is like 4 feet long. So the trunk space actually has about an estimated cubic foot. Hello? The trunk space has an estimated 137 cubic foot of storage space. It's got a double-decker trunk, ladies and gentlemen, and everyone in between. And it's got this hydraulic little system so that you can lift it up and put your back here. You can put all of your bongs, you can put all of your weed. I mean, weed's mostly legal now, or at least decriminalized, thank God. Imagine how many pounds of weed you can put back here. That's one giant doobie. Another fun little feature that it has is this ejectable receiver. And that looks like a Friday night in WeHo or Boys Town, Chicago. Or violent. That just looks really violent. Ah, there it is. It pulls, it releases, but then you pull up to lock it. So maybe not that good of a time. You gotta finagle it a little bit. You gotta give it a little foreplay, you know what I mean? Oh my God, I found the LSD, it's in here. Well, actually, technically, I found the weed because these chartreuse-colored second row and first row seats look like weed. Also, in the second row, you do have these collapsible tray tables, which are kind of oddly positioned. The previous person that was in this car was using them, so they're a little bit better positioned in that regard. But yeah, I mean, it's definitely comfortable back here. The third row is definitely probably going to be comfortable, hopefully. I'm not going to deal with like putting it up. There's a crowd around this car, as you can see, but let's go up front. Maybe I'll find more drugs up front. Oh, it's moving me up. Thank you so much. That tripped me out a little bit. I mean, you know, going off of the drug theme that I'm on today. I'm not on any drugs though, but you know. Anyways, so I mean, these seats are very comfortable. It's got the typical Volkswagen steering wheel that is evident in all of the new gen Volkswagens. Excuse me, I just burped. The interior itself is a take on the ID4 design language, and so it's got these like suspended screens for the infotainment system, as well as the gauge cluster. It does have this weird, trippy, weird gear selector, and the engine start-stop button is here, which is a choice. But I mean, it's a cute looking interior. It's got some wood grain right here. It's got a very long, oh wow. Actually, it's got a very long dashboard. This is like the longest dashboard I've seen in a long time. It's got some USB-C auxiliary inputs as well. The cup holder is collapsible. You can control the doors from this button right here. These are the only tactile buttons in the entire thing except for the SOS button when you're really having an LSD trip or a bad trip. I've had one of those. I've never done drugs. Drugs are bad. But I mean, everything else has this like haptic feedback kind of touch to it. But it's so cute. I really hate this color, but it's cute. You know, I think the two-tone color on the outside is cute. This would be cute in like a blue, kind of, you know, blue and white. That would be cute. Maybe that's because I'm North Carolinian. Should I say cute again? Cute. It's so cute. The pedals, oh my God, the pedals are like a play and a pause button. The accelerator is a play button and the brake pedal is a pause button. Come on. I'm really excited for this to hit the road coming soon. This has definitely had a buzz around it. You know, people are waiting to video record it, but I'm just gonna take my sweet time because I can. Also, that was the first buzz pun I've made this whole video. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I drop a new video. See you next time. I'm gonna go detox. Hey Sparks, thank you for watching today's video. If you want more Sparkplug TV content, you can click on one of these 3 buttons. And if you click the middle one, you can subscribe to my channel. Any and all support is appreciated. Thank you so much. Right over here. Right here.